Beep. Bob. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cherokee County, northwestern Newton County, Jasper County, until 1000 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 912 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carl Junction, or 12 miles north of Joplin, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: $50 size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles as expected. Locations impacted include Joplin, Carthage, Webb City, Carl Junction, Galena, Oronogo, Carterville, Duquesne, Dunwig, Loma Linda, Airport Drive, Leawood, Silver Creek, Alba, Purcell, Shoal Creek Drive, Saginaw, Currytown, Fidelity, and Asbury. This includes the following highways: Interstate 44 between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 49 between mile markers 32 and 50. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Ampersand hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.25 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust less than 50 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.